Check this out. That driver cut off a truck in the rain, lost control, and crashed right in front of me. Thankfully, the driver was okay, but the car was seriously damaged.
Let's go through something at me.
Fuck you!
This is the second time someone has run a red light at this intersection,
What
and it
the
happened on my
dude?
birthday.
It's not a
Luckily, I was
fucking
alert and
stop
had good
sign!
brakes. That could have
Alright,
been a
well,
bad
that...
Reducing suffering. Therefore, in order to act morally, you don't need to believe in any myth or story. You just need to develop a deep appreciation of suffering. If you really understand how an action causes...
Captured on a Thinkware F70 dash cam from my Ford Ranger, this happened on West 10th Street in Interpolis. Fortunately, everyone involved walked away with only minor injuries. Two entitled drivers recklessly cut in front of my semi without thinking. That kind of dangerous driving could have ended very badly. This crash looked like an open and shut case, but even after 10 days, Elephant Insurance is still dragging their feet on getting the repair started. Unreal. So I was just cruising home, everything smooth, until out of nowhere, this van suddenly drifts into my lane. I had to snap out of autopilot and swerve left fast to avoid a nasty collision. My heart was racing. That could have ended very badly.
Event with massive interest.
Then this happened. A distracted lady slammed into the back of my car. She clearly wasn't paying attention. Luckily, she had insurance, and I called mine right away. They handled everything like pros. All fixed now, but wow, that hit came out of nowhere.
Why the fuck would you do that?
Captured in Southampton, UK.
Really?
Just a reminder for everyone. Brake checking isn't just reckless, it's flat out dangerous. And guess what? The rear driver isn't always at fault anymore. This lady slammed on her brakes for no reason, then had the nerve to jump out and blame me.
Serious. I've got you on
Classic
camera as
Karen
well
move.
because you've just
Entitled and totally in the wrong.
You brake checked. You brake checked. You brake checked. Got you on the camera. Got you on camera. Yeah, that's fine. You brake checked. Brake checking is illegal. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Half a mile, turn right onto FM 1172. 7 to Michael Road 1172.
About 2 inches off my bumper there, Western Express. I